Namaskar. This video is about capacity building and acting as mentor for other teachers. In a teaching learning situation, a resource person plays a vital role in providing additional expertise, knowledge and support to enhance the educational experience. Let me share a few points about the role of a resource person. A resource person or a mentor typically possesses in-depth knowledge and expertise in a specific subject, area or domain. He has a deep understanding of the content and can provide accurate and up-to-date information to support teaching and learning through lectures, presentations, demonstrations, PPTs or interactive sessions. He is so expert that the students and the teachers can seek clarification on complex or challenging concepts from them. Resource persons often share their practical experiences and perspectives. This helps students and teachers to understand how theoretical concepts are applied in real-life situations and provides valuable insights into professional practices and careers. Resource persons can offer specialized skills or training that go beyond the expertise of any teacher. He may include workshops, demonstrations, or hands-on sessions to develop specific skills. Resource persons can also contribute to the development or selection of learning resources, including textbooks, reference materials, or digital content, very useful for framing curriculum. Resource persons often bring a sense of passion and enthusiasm for their subject, which can inspire and motivate teachers and students. Their presence and expertise can spark curiosity and generate interest. It's important to note that the role of a resource person may vary depending on the specific context, the subject matter, and the goals of the teaching and learning situations. The teachers remain responsible for curriculum planning, instructional design, and overall classroom management, while the resource person provides specialized support and expertise to enhance the learning experience. A resource person in a teaching and learning situation is someone who can provide students with knowledge and expertise about the topic at hand. He can help to answer students and teachers' questions, guide them in their research, and offer support and guidance when needed. I have mentioned here different roles being played by the resource person because presently I am myself playing the role of a resource person. I have conducted more than 25 CBSE workshops all over India so far. I have been working as a resource person CBSE for the last many years and have conducted more than 20 online offline workshops for the teachers and the students. So far, these CBP programs have been conducted on various topics like life skills, classroom management, gender sensitivity, low-cost teaching aids, linguistics and phonetics, NEP, and so on and so forth. Some of the workshops which I have conducted in recent years in different schools as a mentor are mentioned below. Conduct of workshop as resource person organized by CBSE COE Ajmer, Center of Excellence Ajmer or Center of Excellence Bhopal. First workshop which I conducted it at Mauritian Public School Seedhi, Madhya Pradesh, on life skills on 30th November 2018, followed by another workshop at Suhagi Public School, Khatia, Riva, on the same topic on 30th January 2019, followed by St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School, Jabalpur, on life skills on 26th March 2019, followed by St. Paul Senior Secondary School, Katni, on gender sensitivity on 30th March 2019, followed by St. Michael Higher Secondary School, Satna, on life skills from 25th April 2019 to 26th April 2019. It was a 2 days workshop, followed by St. Joseph's Convent School, Kotma, Anuppur on life skills on 14th May 2019, followed by Uday Public School, Shivni on classroom management on 21st August 2019 to 22nd August 2019. It was also a 2 days workshop, followed by Geeta Jyoti School, Rewa on remodeled structure of assessment on 26th December 2019, followed by Sainik School, Rewa, MP. That is in my own school. I conducted this workshop on Sounds in English on 8th January 2020, which was organized by my school itself. Another workshop which I conducted it at Sainik School, Rewa itself on 44 phonemes in British English on 1st May 2020. But this workshop was organized by CBSE Center of Excellence, Bhopal. Another workshop which I conducted, I did it at Sainik School, Rewa itself on teaching strategies in English listening on 15th March 2021, and this workshop was also organized by CBSE Center of Excellence, Bhopal. Another workshop I also conducted at Sainik School, Rewa itself on teaching strategies in English speaking on 19th March 2021, organized by CBSE Center of Excellence, Bhopal, followed by another workshop which I conducted at Sainik School, Rewa itself on teaching strategies in English based on reading aspect. I conducted it on 22nd March 2021. It was also organized by CBSE Center of Excellence, Bhopal. The next in this series, I conducted one workshop at Kashyap Vidyapeeth, Chaitanya Gram, Kheda, Badi Chopati, Badnavar, District Dhar, Madhya Pradesh on life skills, organized by CBSE Center of Excellence, Bhopal, followed by Green Bells School, English Medium, Budhar, District Shahdol, Madhya Pradesh on life skills on 29th October 2022, and this was also organized by Center of Excellence, Bhopal, followed by E-Cole International School, Vedhan, District Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh on classroom management from 4th January 2023 to 5th January 2023. It was also a 2 days workshop, followed by MM International School, Katni, Nagpur Bypass Road, Jabalpur on classroom management from 24th April 2023 to 25th April 2023. It was also a 2 days workshop. And finally, recently, I have conducted a workshop at Colonel's Academy, Silver Oaks Estate, Mau, Indore, in the month of January, in the month of December only. Thus, by conducting these workshops for the teachers and the students, I have been playing the role of a mentor. All the responsibilities of a resource person mentioned above are being carried out me. Thank you very much.